Hey, good morning and a warm welcome to everyone. It is my great honor and privilege to welcome you to Pulido National High School Junior High School Campus. Today, as we commence the Pulido District Aral Program Training for Tutors, we affirm our unwavering commitment to every learners who deserve a second chance reading in English. In behalf of Ma'am Janet or Dr. Janet Suaverdes and our head teacher 1, Ma'am Grace Puerto, ay malugod namin kayo tinatanggap sa Pulido National High School. Bagamat po tayo ay skip dito, ay lilipat po tayo sa canteen mamaya after lunch. And let us also be reminded that our work today will echo in the lives of our learners tomorrow. So let us teach not just the skill, but the heart. Because every learner who learns to read creates or gain the power of dream, believe, and decide. So mabuhay po kayo lahat and welcome to Pulido National High School.